Hello IG Garage family, is your car jerking, struggling to accelerate or suddenly stalling? If your scanner shows P0121, your throttle position sensor, TPS, is sending incorrect signals. This issue can cause loss of power, rough idling, and even dangerous driving conditions. In this video, we'll cover what P0121 means, the exact location of the TPS sensor, and how to diagnose and fix it step by step. Let's get started. What does P0121 mean? The P0121 Trouble Code stands for Throttle Pedal Position Sensor, a circuit range performance problem. This means the TPS sensor is sending voltage signals outside the expected range, which confuses the ECU about the throttle position. Symptoms of P0121 include the check engine light being on, poor acceleration or sluggish response, sudden power loss or engine hesitation, rough idle or high RPMs, and hard starting or stalling. Common causes of P0121 are a faulty TPS sensor, a dirty or sticking throttle body, damaged wiring or connectors, a failing accelerator pedal position sensor, APP sensor, and ECU issues, though that's a rare case. Where is the TPS sensor located? The TPS sensor is mounted on the throttle body, usually near the intake manifold. It is directly connected to the throttle plate, measuring its position as you press the gas pedal. The TPS sensor usually has 3 wires, one for voltage reference, usually 5 volts from the ECU, one for ground and one for signal output to the ECU. Check for damaged or loose connectors, which can cause erratic signals. A little tip: if your car has an electronic throttle body, also known as a drive-by-wire system, the problem may be with the throttle actuator motor, rather than the sensor itself. First, inspect and clean the throttle body. Remove the intake hose and check for any carbon buildup inside the throttle body. Use throttle body cleaner to clean it properly. Next, check the TPS sensor connector and wiring. Look for any signs of corrosion, loose connections, or broken wires. Test the wiring harness with a multimeter to ensure proper voltage. Then, test the TPS sensor with a multimeter. Set your multimeter to DC voltage mode. With the ignition on but the engine off, slowly open the throttle and check if the voltage increases smoothly from 0.5 volts to 4.5 volts. If you notice any sudden jumps or drops, the sensor is faulty. If necessary, replace the TPS sensor. If the sensor is defective, replace it with a new OEM TPS sensor. Avoid cheap aftermarket sensors, as they can cause calibration issues. Finally, reset the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear the P0121 code. Drive the car and check if the issue is resolved. That's how you fix P0121 throttle position sensor circuit issue. If your car is hesitating, stalling, or struggling to accelerate, check your TPS sensor, wiring, and throttle body. For more expert car fixes, watch these videos next. P0011, a camshaft timing over advanced, bank 1, and P0012, a camshaft timing over retarded, bank 1. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car repair tips from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.